Hey tech fans, welcome to Tech Review and this is Gani. In this video I am gonna unbox the PUBG trigger controller. So the intro begins now. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more interesting techie videos, and also don't forget to give a thumbs up. I have a surgical blade to unbox this. So let's unbox it. Let's see what you get. Here we have the box, so let's see the specs given on the box. It's titled as a mobile game controller. Here we have 5 watts 1 ampere input and 5 watts 1 ampere output, and the battery capacity is 2000 mAh, is of 198 grams and nothing else given. So let's get into the box. Here we have the controller, and let's see what else we get. They also provided a USB to micro USB cable. And nothing else given. Here we have a moving clip to move the player. Here we get, by this we can put it in. Just to move the fingers. The controller is pretty lightweight. It has adjustable clips. There is an extendable pouch head to keep the mobile easily. Here we have the game triggers. There is a bullet symbol and a scope symbol designed on it. Here we have a power button and a light indicator. We have a USB input to charge our phone. Here we have a charging input. We have a cooler fan in it. At present there is no charge in this. So let's recharge it and play it.